Hello everyone, I'm Nikita from Adelaide PT Study Center and I've got Tasveer with me who has given his PT today in the morning and got his desired scores within 1 hour. Many congratulations to you,
Thank
Tasveer.
you so much.
And how much did you score?
I got a 69 overall and 66 in listening, 69 in speaking, 73 in reading and 70 in writing.
So that was an overall score of 69.
Yeah.
So Tasveer, I won't say anything. Can you please let them know about your journey?
Yes. Actually myself, Tasveer Kumar Suttaria, and I am studying Master of Clinical Rehabilitation and I have done physiotherapy from my home country. And for access my degree, I have only 2 attempts in 6 months and I have already given once before 2 months. So I have only last chance and this one is do or die situation for me. And I come to the Adelaide PT study centers and I talk to all the staffs and I come in the lab once and I met the Nikita and she guide me and I have tell all the problems whatever I am facing now and she guide me that book your consultations and I will help you and everything. And I have taken up personal consultations with Nikita ma'am, Pallavi ma'am, and Aisha ma'am has already taken the regular consultations and follow up from me, and they also push me to get my desired score, and all the things happen just because of all friendly staffs. And
so as you can see that I'm not speaking anything. Why? Because you can see the happiness on his face. As even like we were in a lot of tension because of Tasveer, as he told us that he just has this one last attempt within this given amount of like 6 months and he has to pass it, or else again he has to wait for another 6 months to get this registered. So we told him, like, if you're not in a rush, take time, prepare well, take regular consultations from us, give a number of mock tests. He even gave Pearson's professional mock test as well, wherein we guided him, and then finally he got his desired scores. With the very first attempt of his, he did not like he had given it by himself and he was not confident enough with, and some technical errors also were happening behind the back end. That's the reason he did not get it in first attempt, but he knew what his mistakes were, his weaknesses. But he really listened to us genuinely. He followed up us on regularly. He came regularly. He never even missed a single consultation. And that is how he got his desired score.
That's the best thing I need to do.
So Tasveer, what all did you do? So you attended, you said that you have taken private consultations. What about the mock tests? What about our IVAS Plus platform?
Yes, IVAS is very good platform for the practicing of PT, and I have taken a personal consultation from the IVAS Plus. I have given the Pearson mock test and IVAS Plus mock test as well. And I have taken personal consultation with Nikita ma'am and Pallavi ma'am, and they have recommended me that you have to focus on these points particularly to get your desired scores, and I have focused on that point and I will get my desired score.
And he was most afraid with the reading section in PTE, and guess what, he has scored the maximum.
I got the highest scores in the reading.
And today, as we follow up on students, and I just gave him a call today at 1 o'clock that Tasveer, how did your exam go? When is it? Is it in the afternoon? And he was like, I've already done with it. And I was like, okay, what's next? He was like, I already got my score. And I was like, who will tell me? And he actually wanted to give us a surprise. And he came with a lot of sweets. And I guess, like, more than him, his whole family member is happier. The whole struggles are not only with him, but the whole family was there to help him and support him.
That's the best thing I need to get desired score, because without supports you can't achieve anything.
And that's how we made it in first attempt with Adelaide PTE, and we are done and dusted with the...
Thank you so much for helping me and provide me a crucial support in this crucial time.
And now he'll be a physiotherapist soon. So
Tasveer,
what is the last thing that you would tell the students who are struggling outside for PT, or who are someone like situation like you?
I always recommend that come and visit the PT study center, because without helping of taking consultation from the staff, you didn't get your achieved desired score. So I must say that I highly recommend that come and visit once at PT study center, and it is the best tuitions I have ever seen.
So finally, guys, you can see that the smile is everlasting. Thank you so much, Tasveer.
Thank you so much.
I would like to say something about Tasveer especially, because he's now more than a student to us. he has been like, he's the one who genuinely respected us. Like the whole team, Aisha, Sajid, Kazi, me, Pallavi, we all will miss him. And thank you so much. We are also lucky that we got a student like you, and all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.